Hey beauties, this is Crystal with Beyond Body. How y'all doing today?
Crystal.
What?
Girl, I got scoot over.
What did you get?
Girl, I just got me a bath bomb.
A bath bomb? Where'd you get that from?
The Dollar Tree. And you know how much I spent?
How much you spent?
$1.07. How much is your bath bomb?
$6.99.
Well, wait a minute now. $6.99. I think I might rather spend $1.07 than $6.99. So what's the difference? Why does yours cost $6.99? And come on, girl.
Because mine is better for you and better for your body. We have basic and simple ingredients. I don't know what that has in it. So let me break down to you what's in ours. Okay, we have baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, coconut oil, alcohol, essential oils, and coloring. What's in yours, honey?
Well, I don't know. It says something about sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda, dear.
Oh, okay. I wonder why they're not putting this in plain English. So baking soda, citric acid, sodium sulfate. What's that?
You know what sodium sulfate is? That is laundry detergent. Do you want to sit in laundry detergent? And you know what else they put that in? Paper. Whoa. That is not good for you.
Girl. And then it says fragrance and then bloom #1.
You should know fragrance. What kind of fragrance is that?
Right.
That's not a good look.
Right. And if this is only $1.07, it can't be premium top of the line fragrance, huh?
No. You want the best things that are in your body so that you can be healthy, because you absorb a lot of things through your skin.
Yeah.
And you're sitting in it, so you're gonna absorb a lot of things that you don't want to sit in. That's not a good look.
That's got me thinking, man. Like, and then I don't even see that it says anything about coconut oil or any kind of,
detergent dries your skin out.
Oh, dang.
You know what I mean? So when you get done with ours, you're going to have a refreshing, and you're going to have, your skin's not going to be all dry and crusty. That's not good. It's not good for you.
So I guess I see why this was only $1.07, huh?
You're right. And our stuff is handcrafted. That's manufactured probably in a factory somewhere.
Well,
I mean, I know it's a cute little bird and all.
Yeah. Well, guess what? Let's do a test. Let's see whose bath bomb is better then. Let's see if the dollar, like, let's put it in. Let's see how it fizzes, and let's even see, how it makes your skin feel.
Okay, let's do that.
All right. So what scent is yours? What do you have?
Double mint.
And look, this doesn't even tell me what kind of scent. It just says fragrance. Right. So what if this is a fragrance I don't even like? It doesn't even tell me what essential oils they use in here. Wow. Okay. Well, does yours tell your customers what kind of scents you put in there?
Everything's listed on the site.
Interesting. Well, I wonder if I go to DollarTree.com, and will it have the smells on there? Probably not. Let me see. I'm looking. They have a little label on here. Nope. It still doesn't even say. And then it says that it's made, this is weird. It says distributed in Chesapeake, Virginia, but made in China. Okay. And yours is made where?
Here in the USA, honey.
Oh, okay. Well, let me crack this package open and let's just see. Let me see. I don't know what I'm smelling. Smell this.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know. Maybe it's laundry detergent? Let's see. All right, ready? Go.
Look at that difference in that fizz.
Wow. I can hear the difference.
Exactly.
And this one, even though
the
color is darker,
it's not breaking down.
Yeah, the water is not even like, because ours is colorful. Wow.
That's not breaking down the way it's supposed to, and it's not even
Look at that.
This is what you get when you go cheaply versus quality.
Huh.
It didn't break down at all. Look at that. That's not a good look. It's still, look at that. So ours is natural. I don't know what's in that.
Yeah. Wow.
It's not even fizzing.
Yeah.
So that's what you get when you go with that Dollar Tree stuff.
I guess I'm not going to do that anymore.
Because whatever's in there, it should be broken down by water. If it can't break, it's not water soluble, it's not natural.
Wow. Thank you for that. Very educational. Wow. Still not.
Right.
And this water is pretty warm. Interesting. That one's all empty. And this one still has the bath bomb. I don't see any fizz. A little bit of bubbling, but I don't hear anything. Even the color is different. Interesting. Well, thanks, Crystal, for educating me, because I really didn't notice the difference. I'm like, well, hey, if I could save me a couple of bucks, why not?
You get what you pay for, dear.
Wow. Well, thanks, girl.
You're welcome. Beyond Body. Stop by beyondbody.com.
Take care, guys.
Bye.